All right, everybody, I'm going to show you a quick review because this is now the second package that I've received. I'm going to share. All right, this is what I received. All right, wasn't open, came from PetSafe, but they're shipping out total junk from China because this is a brand new one. I just opened the package. This is proof of what I received. All right, you see that number there? Let's try it again. .9 volts, new one. We'll test it again. 5.9, we'll test the other side of the positive. 5.9. 5.9 for a 6 volt. And it should be higher than that for a brand new battery, or it won't even work in your device. Brand new batteries are always coming off higher than the rated voltage. If you measure any battery, they're all higher when you first buy them because they have to be stabilized in order to last the time until they expire. This should read probably somewhere around 7.5, my guess. I didn't take a working one because the working one died, and that's why I went to replace it. So just thought I'd share. Everybody should get a cheap multimeter. It costs nothing to get one of these things. They're very cheap. And measure your batteries. Should be well over 6 volts, and if it's not, it won't last very long. If it's just 6 volts, good luck. It'll last a very short period of time. So just sharing tests here. And this is the this is the replacement of the first one where both were dead. And I'm like, I got to bring this down here to show everybody what I got here. What total junk.
Here are the batteries for the collar, the electric collar, or the collar for the dogs to go outside, for the electric fence, wireless collar. They're packaged very well. And there's even an expiration date. PetSafe. They go on very easily.